Hey guys, welcome back. So, in these video tutorials, you are going to see 5 different types of use cases in Qlik Sense administration, especially how you can handle dynamically using the Qlik Management Console, that is the QMC. We have 5 scenarios. So first one is to the export option. When you right click on your chart and you want to disable that is one of the videos. Second will be stream level access dynamically. Third will be app level access. Fourth will be you if you want to reload a task in the and you just don't want all the access to be given to the particular developer. So that is app task level access, which is nothing but the scheduler admin. Last one will be how to provide some specific data connection accesses to certain set of users. So let's say there is a sales teams or a finance team or somebody who only wants you only want that particular person to look into that particular stream or that particular data connection. That is something that you need to look in. Thank you.